This long-life mountable vacuum system is made specifically with the professional in mind. With its American-made steel design, 1,500-hour motor, and ability to add multiple workstation valves, this system is perfect for a variety of applications, including auto body, shop floor, fleet vehicles, showrooms, groomers and kennels, gyms, barbershops and salons. Manufactured by leaders in the industry, VacuMaid has been producing quality vacuums from its Oklahoma facility since 1956. The long-life motor makes it perfect for garage and workshops doing multiple cleaning jobs every day, almost 3 times the life of other workshop-style vacuums. The special double-port thick HEPA-style vacuum bag provides excellent filtration and comes in a 3-pack for convenient maintenance. Convenient mounting for ease of use and gets the vacuum up off the floor out of your way, leaving less clutter around your shop. Installation is simple. It can be hung using a stud and 2 screws, and you're ready to clean. The VacuMaid Utility Vac comes packaged with your choice of a car care kit or a garage kit. Both kits come with your choice of a 30 or 50-foot hose. The car care kit includes the clawfoot upholstery tool and is the perfect setup for fleet vehicles, auto body shops, and more. The garage kit is a great addition for general cleaning and includes the floor tool and extension wand. Additional valves can also be used at multiple workstations, as well as muffler kits to help further reduce noise. Easily installed using our convenient installation kit, which you can choose from 1 or 3 utility valve kits, and using scheduled 40-pipe fittings and other installation supplies that you can source from your home improvement store. You can be operational at no time. Add-on options such as pet tools, wet pickup kits, and more can be added to fulfill all your cleaning needs. Stop wasting your money replacing multiple shop vacuums each year when they don't last. If you have any questions, you can speak directly with the manufacturer. Our knowledgeable customer service department is ready to help. Find us on Amazon and at VacuMaid.com.